viewers, hello beautiful people, thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, please press the subscribe button and the notification button. Should be case if I upload my video, you will be the first person to see my video and you will be the first person to be notified. And in today's video, my beautiful I recommended ingredient that we ladies, precious beautiful lady, can use to our tummy go flat when we wear our dress. Maybe we wear turtlenecks that will show our beautiful figure. To be honest, this home remedy really works. I've been using it and it actually worked for me. And please, before using any of my home remedy, I will advise you to contact your GP or your doctor or your midwife or your nurse, or in Nigeria or your chemist, to find that. Or you also can search, you can make a research and just study them on the internet or on social media, or ask people and ask your doctor. Maybe you'll be allergic to honey and garlic, because these two ingredients are very strong. When you take it, you will know that you took something, especially in empty stomach in the morning. It's not too harsh, but the taste on the tongue is not funny. I assume that with honey, you have to be drinking water. What I used to do, first thing in the morning when I wake up from my bed, I go straight to the kitchen. I've already mixed my own. I put it in the fridge. I just cook one tablespoon, and I always have warm water. A glass of warm water will do you perfect. And when you take when you are going back to bed at night, you consume again, you took 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of garlic and honey when you are going to bed at night, and you drink that, and you can use warm water or you can use ordinary water to just make it to easily digest. Believe me, it works well. And I can't show you I can't show my body now, but it will be a time that I'll be more professional to handle this my new camera. I'll be able to show my figure. All this home remedy, you don't really have to struggle yourself. Most of our home remedy that we are using in the kitchen, it helps so well. If you can check on the internet, research, you will see. And I'm going to bring you along to my kitchen. I'll be showing you how I'm going to prepare it. It's very easy. And garlic, a mixture of garlic and honey, has a protective effect on the heart, cholesterol and blood pressure. And these two, to 7 glass water a day. And I presume this will really work well with you. So we are going to be using garlic, honey, and I'm going to show you how you will prepare it in the fridge. I have the one that I've been using now for almost a month in the fridge. I always make my fresh home remedy. I always love to keep them in the fridge in case. And if you are a busy person, so it's going to be so easy for you to just get a scoop of it day and night, and you will really see the result. Thank you so much for watching me. Stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye. Hello guys. So we need honey. You can get organic honey, or you can get the local one in your estate or in where you are living. I got Irish honey, white honey. Is very good. And this is how it looks like. Going to use honey, and we are going to use 3 cloves of garlic. You can get organic garlic in your grocery store or in your supermarket. I got this in the market here, Sunday market. This is what we are going to be using, and we need our knife. And I need my saucepan to crunch the garlic. So first of all, I need to wash my hand before touching anything, because I don't like using gloves, so I prefer washing my hands. So that's done. You can also wear your glove for FT safety, but I don't work well with gloves, so that is why I decided to wash my hands, as you can see it yourself. So I need 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm going to show you how you peel it. Chewing garlic, which has antibacterial and antifungal property, which can also help prevent some forms of cancer too. So chewing only garlic first thing in the morning also is good because it contains antioxidants. Weight loss. Consume this every morning to burn belly fats like crazy. This really actually worked for me. That's my wooden spoon. If you have wooden spoon, because I won't be able to swallow it without scrunching or press it I'm not going to be able to finish this soup when you are consuming it in the morning. I will advise you to have a milk or a glass water beside you, lukewarm glass water beside you, because the taste, to be honest, is unbearable. So this is how we make it. Just leave it for 2 minutes before consuming it. So that is how it looks. This will serve you at least for 2 days. This will serve me for morning and night. So I'm going to consume this morning, and I will consume the rest at night when I'm going to bed. The taste is unbearable. Chewing gum straight away, or warm water or milk to get rid of the taste. Pressure and cholesterol level, fight cold and flu, improve digestion, boost immune system, eliminate toxin and improve liver health, help treat many cardiovascular and metabolic diseases, including atherosclerosis and diabetes. Garlic has anti-cancer, antifungal, antimicrobial property. It's also a powerful antioxidant that regenerates your cells, giving you a smooth, soft, and acne-free skin. So I hope this will help you. As you can see, all the benefits alone. Honey also contains nutrients such as protein, water, energy, fiber, sugar, and various vitamins and minerals. It contains minerals such as iron, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, and calcium. Honey is a good source of vitamins that including folate, niacin, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. For people who are overweight or obese, honey not only reduces the risk of cardiovascular disorder, it also does not increase the body weight. Help reduce cholesterol level as compared to sugar. It also leads to a comparative lower increasing in the plasma glucose level. I hope this will help you to reach your desire. Before you use any of my home remedy, I want you to do me a favor. Contact your GP or your doctor, or check online before using any of my home remedy. This is just an idea. This is part of my remedy that I use. Then I love my baby fats. When I had my baby, she's 3 years old. This helped me to lose a lot of stubborn fat in my stomach. I hope this will help you. So I will show you how I'm going to take it. As you can see, I just wake up in the morning, there's a shiny on my face.
Fuck her in the Benz.